Jerry and I first got married, this is one of those dishes that she made for years. We're going to be making some smothered pepper jack pork chops. And here I have some boneless pork chops. There's quite a few of them. You're also going to need some can of condensed chicken. You can also do a can of mushroom if you want, no pressure. So let's get started. This is going to be super simple, super easy. Essentially, get your crock pot set up just right. So, starting in our crock pot, of course, we got to go with a little bit of avocado oil. On the bottom of that, a little bit of avocado oil in the bottom of that. Just drizzle it on around. It don't have to be professional. And next, pork chop, pork, pork, pork. This used to be one of my favorite meals my wife made for the longest time. You got some honey mustard. Brush. Gonna brush that honey mustard up there onto these. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of that salt. We want to go with a little bit. This is a great seasoning I got for Christmas. It is wild game rub. I got it last year, and it's just top notch. Some Montreal steak seasoning. Chicago steak seasoning. This stuff, if you've never had Chicago steak seasoning, it's a game changer, trust me. Good garlic Asiago. I love Weber seasoning. So good to me. It really is. Some pepper. Of condensed chicken. There it goes. Hey, look at that one. That one's ready. That one knew the deal. So now it's in there. I'm just going to kind of ease it on around. Get that all around the chicken. Or that cream of chicken all around the pot. And I got 8 ounces of some pepper jack cheese. Because we're going to make pepper jack pork chops. Pepper jack's mother pork chops. We do 4 ounces now, 4 hours or 4 ounces later. So I'm cranking my crock pot on to high. That way it's ready in time. How easy was that? Before I forget, we want to take 1 cup of heavy cream and pour it on in there. Okay. We made it to the final game. This here is Italian seasoning. So we're going to pour it on in. Be careful, this is hot, okay? So you don't want to touch it. Alright. And we got pepper. That's good. Give me a lot of pepper. A lot of pepper. He knows my thinking. Here is oregano. We don't need a lot of oregano. We just need a little bit. That's good. This is crushed red pepper. Makes it a little warm. That's good. Perfect. And then we're just going to mix that up. Look at that. That's creamy sauce right there. Oh. It smells so good. You can kind of see that pork chop right there. Oh, man. That's good. Preparing And then here we have our meal that we've been preparing. So here we have our rice with cheddar broccoli rice. I'm gonna scoop some rice.
I want to do with my dinner what we.
And then I'm gonna scrape out some of this pork chops with that cream sauce.
Pineapple,
Right there is the dish. Alright, y'all. This is the final product of the night. Let's give it a try.
Hey, I want to try too.
Okay.
I don't want no rice on it because I don't like some of that. This one.
That's good.
We don't have it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Axel agrees. We both agree. Alright, y'all. For that, we're going to call it there. We're going to go eat. I'm going to try to make a Bible study. Love you. Catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yep. Share this video to a friend. Whatever you want to do. I love you. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, I got it food right here. And welcome from Apple that are different cooking.
Tell them what you got in there.
There's but this one, the pizza right here, and the hot dog one, the pineapple, rabbit, and bread, and an eyeball.
An eyeball?
Yeah, but we can eat.
Oh.
And over here we got some dirt. And welcome some after that, this one's cooking.